Welcome back to the second match of BPL Season 4. SCW Strikers have won the toss and they have decided to bat first. Will this batting first help them to score a good total for the CSK Chargers?
இப்பெல்லாம் யார் யார் ஜெயித்துவாங்க ஒரு சைடு, யார் யார் தோத்துவாங்க ஒரு சைடு. யார் யார் தோத்துருக்காங்க அவங்க ஆட வைப்பாங்க. அப்புறம் இந்த பக்கம் யார் யார் ஜெயித்திருக்காங்க அவங்க ஆட வச்சுட்டு அந்த பக்கம் இந்த பக்கம் போட்டு
First over will be sung by Mohammad Bhai Bharuchwala, known as Paki Bhai.
காமலால் டீம் வந்து எல்லாம் ஜீம் பாடி தான்.
And here's the first ball by Mohammad Bhai Paki. And a good ball. The batsman was deceived by the pace of the ball. The second ball. And a run. As the first 2 overs are power play overs, the runs will be doubled. Here's the third ball. And just a single. The batsman opened the face of the bat and guided to the nets. And that's a 4. Straight shot down the ground. Last ball. And a 6. Beg your pardon, this is the last ball of the first over. And a wide. There will be one more ball to go. And again a 6. What a shot by the batsman. here's the second over. Bowling by Ibrahim by Radanpur wala. And a 4. They are playing in the power play very well. And the third ball. And a single. And again a 6.
हेलो हाँ यता यो यता म्याचमा टुर्नामेन्ट म्याचमा छ क्या
And this is the last ball. This SCW strikers are on 66 runs.
म त छोडिदिएको मुका बल खेल्न म बल खेल्न छोडिदिएको
After 2 overs, the score is 70 runs.
कुति पक्लियो र
This is a perfect start as it,
ए
as if you start
ल त ल म यता 2 बच्चा होला
as you won the toss and elected to bat. This is the start needed from the
Huh?
batsman.
अँ
The bowling team are in pressure.
Lara.
What to do and how to do. How to stop the batsman to score more runs. And the next bowler, Mufaddal Van, and facing Martin. And a wide. The first ball was a wide. Again, re-ball. Played. First ball. And that was a catch. And a drop. And they scored 1 run. Here's the fourth ball. And a wide again. And here's the fourth ball. He has to ball again. And here's the fourth ball. He has to ball again. And here's the fourth ball. He has to ball again. And here's the fourth ball. He has to ball again. And here's the fourth ball. He has to ball again. And here's the fourth ball. He has to ball again. A 1 run taken from the batsman. He has to ball again. A 1 run taken from the batsman. He has to ball again. A 1 run taken from the batsman. He has to ball again. A 1 run taken from the batsman. He has to ball again. A 1 run taken from the batsman. He has to ball again. A 1 run taken from the batsman. He has to ball again. A 1 run taken from the batsman. He has to ball again. A 1 run taken from the batsman. He has to ball again. Taken from the batsman. He has to ball again. Taken from the batsman. He has to ball again. Taken from the batsman. He has to ball again. Taken from the batsman. He has to ball again. Taken from the batsman. He has to ball again. Taken from the batsman. He has to ball again. 3 overs. Taken from the batsman. He has to ball again. Runs in the first 4 overs. From the batsman. He has to ball again. Runs in the first 4 overs. From the batsman. He has to ball again. Runs in the first 4 overs. From the batsman. He has to ball again. Runs in the first 4 overs. From the batsman. He has to ball again. Runs in the first 4 overs. From the batsman. He has to ball again. Runs in the first 4 overs. From the batsman. He has to ball again. Runs in the first 4 overs. From the batsman. He has to ball again. Runs in the first 4 overs. From the batsman. He has to ball again. Runs in the first 4 And ball. That was a good ball. 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 And ball.
I'm Dario.
That was
I
a good
can't
ball.
recall. எனவே
And ball.
2022 புதிதாக
That was a good ball.
உள்ளது. எனவே
And ball.
2022
That was a good ball. And ball. Hello, hello. Hello, Mike. Testing 1 2 1 2. Hello. Mike testing 1 2. And an edge and a wicket. Official 1 is dominating with this bowling. He has taken 2 wickets for CSK Chargers. And here's the new batsman, Srini. Mufaddal Van with his fifth ball. The batsman is Srini. And misfielding in the covers region. And your Martin with 53 runs on board in 13 balls. The last ball of Mufaddal Van. And again a run. After 5 overs, the score is 102. Though Mufaddal have taken 2 wickets and brought CSK Chargers back to the game, but they have to tighten the fielding and have to bring back. And a 6 in the first ball. Hamza bowling to Martin. The second ball. Ooh, and it was a close call. Idris Bhai throw the ball at the non-striker's end, but a miss. And a third ball. And a single run. Srini facing Hamza. And a miss. The swing and a mix. Fifth ball. Srini facing Hamza. And 1 run. It touches the nets. 2 runs. 1 plus 1. And this is the last ball. A wide. The bowler is not able to guess the line. The bowler is not able to make the line and length properly for the batsman. And a 6. Martin Bro dominating. After 6 overs, the score is 118 for 2 wickets.
Hi, I'm Carrier. I carry the cool. So what's new in 2022? I got the Smart Energy Display for, match day.
And Taha Gadiali bowling the 7th over. Martin Bro at 68 runs. Strike rate of 377. And this is a no ball. And a free hit. Srini will get a free hit facing Taha Gadiali. But only a single. That was a good ball by Taha. Martin Bro facing Taha Gadiali. Will Martin be able to hit us, make his century complete? and a dash at the end. But all good. And that was an edge. Missed by Moise Bhai. Oh, again an edge. The batsman is not able to make it to the nets. And here's an over up. That were the perfect 3 balls thrown to the batsman. After 7 overs, the score is 125 for 2. It is by Radanpur with the bowling. And 1 run, Mufdalwan fielding it. And there's a second ball. And net 1+1. There was a score partnership between Mauti and Srini, 30 runs in 17 balls. It is by Radanpur. I have considered 31 runs in 1.2 balls. Last ball facing Martin and 1+1. This was a good over from Idris by Radanpurwala. After 8 overs, the score is 135 for 2.
Martin sir is on fire over here. 3 consecutive sixes.
And here's the batsman at 101 runs. 3 sixes back to back and scoring a century. After the first innings, the score is 164 runs at a loss of 3 wickets. CSK Chargers needs 165 runs to win.
Hi, I'm Carrier. I carry the cool. So what's new in 2022? I got the Smart Energy Display for, match day, happy fam day, I will die kind of socializing day, me time.
Rest day.
And look out for the Insta-Cool tech. Named Carrier, I carry the cool so that you can chill. Hi, I'm Carrier. I carry the cool. So what's new in 2022? I got the Smart Energy Display for, match day, happy fam day, I will die kind of socializing day, me time.
It's so hard.
Carrier, I carry the cool. So what's new in 2022? I got the Smart Energy Display for, match day, happy fam day, I will die kind of socializing day, me time.
Rest day.
And look out for the Insta-Cool tech. Named Carrier, I carry the cool so that you can chill. Hi, I'm Carrier. I carry the cool. So what's new in 2022? I got the Smart Energy Display for, match day, happy fam day, I will die kind of social.
Mic testing. Hello, 1 2 1 2. Hello. Hello, mic testing 1 2 1 2. And here was the first ball. Mic testing 1 2 1 2. And here was the first ball. Mic testing 165 runs in 10 overs. Ooh, and that's a miss. That was a good feeling. Yeah, the batsman is in pressure. They have to score 165 in just 60 balls. That's a huge pressure for the batsman over here. And that was a close call for stumping, but the batsman was in time. And here's a 4. That was a good shot by Abbas Haji. They have to build a good score. They have to start as SCW started. And again, 1 plus 1. As is the power play, the score will be doubled. And this is the last ball of the first over, facing Mohammad Baipaki. And a run out. Hitting straight through the baller's end and a run out at non-striker's end. After first over, the score is 20 for 1. The new batsmen, Moise by Bharuchwala and Abbas by Haji. And the second over, and Abbas by Haji batting. Vikas by bowling the second over, the power play over, and Abbas Haji facing the third ball, and a single again. As is the power play, the score will be doubled. So 1 plus 1, 2, which is 4. And that was a good shot down the ground for a 4. This can release the pressure somewhat for the batsman over here. And the batsman was not able to judge the ball. And over up. After the second over, the score is 40. That was a good batting from Moise and Abbas in the power play. They have scored 40 runs. And moderate start for CSK Chargers. is the end of the power play overs. Now that was a good shot from Basaji and a catch out in the deep. And a new batsman introduced by Rajan Purwala. Because by bowling the third over for SEW strikers. And here's the bounce. That was a good bounce. What a welcome for the batsman over here. Oh, and the batsman was just in time. Here's the fourth ball facing Idris Bhai. And the ball is up. New ball.
CSK Chargers need someone who can stand and take them home. It is Idris who needs to steady the innings for CSK Chargers along with Moise. It's a huge task for CSK Chargers. 123 in 43 balls is definitely a huge task.
What do you think, Ali bhai? Will they able to chase?
Just can't commit to it at this particular moment because cricket is a very funny game. Anything can happen at any time. It's a beautiful Sunday and we have a brilliant start right from the first match of the tournament, wherein the Roxy Super 8 won comfortably in their first match. The second match is in progress between SEW Strikers and CSK Chargers.
The new bowler Tapesh Kumar.
Someone from these two definitely needs to take the charge on. They just can't keep rotating for singles.
What is the secret to hit a six, Ali bhai?
can't commit anything. Let us see how the game goes.
Is Idris Bhai capable to get CSK Chargers to the target?
Definitely, it is possible for Idris to take them home. But again, as I said you in the first stanza, when I started the commentary, okay, CSK Chargers definitely need someone who can stand and take them home. When we look at this box cricket, we definitely think of how this T20 matches came in the revolution. And when we talk about T20 matches, definitely we would like to take up this inaugural T20 World Cup that was played in the year 2007 in South Africa. And the most famous match was between India versus Pakistan during the qualifier stage. It was the second match for India, wherein the first match was against Scotland, which got washed away due to rain, and the second match was against Pakistan. That was on September 14th, 2007, Friday at Durban. And that was the first match wherein we had the bowl out being done and India won the bowl out over there. Well, more than 21 years after Javed Miandar's last ball heroics in Sharjah, India and Pakistan played out a thrilling tie at the ICC World 2020. India, however, prevailed in the bowl out.
CSK Chargers needs 113 runs in 36 balls. Will they be able to chase it? Singles will not help them to win the match. They have to score big, hit big to get a huge star to chase this up correctly. After 5 overs, the score is 62 runs. The required run rate per over is 20.6, 20 runs per over. Idris Bhai facing Mahi. And here's a catch drop. Moise Bhai have to dominate somewhat. He have to hit big. Again, Idris Bhai on strike. They have to go for big shots. They have to go for some sixes in this over. This will not help them to get to the score. The score is 65 for 2 in 5.4 overs. And that's a wide. They need 99 runs in 26 balls. Will CSK be able to chase it? The required run rate is 23 and they are going on 11. They need some huge shots, big shots in an over.
This pair have batted together for 23 balls and they have converted only 30 runs. The target keeps on mounting on their head, ball by ball. They need to do something special over here, either Moise or either Idris. Someone needs to strike very hard over here.
Only the huge shots, big shots can help them to achieve this target.
They need sixes and boundaries. They just can't keep dealing in singles. These singles are definitely not helping them.
By facing Rukesh. Rukesh with his fourth ball. Moise Bhai on the strike. They have just gained 8 runs in this over. And including this, 10 runs. 5 balls, 10 runs. The current partnership is 40 runs. 85 needed in 19 balls. And a wide. 84 in 19, sorry. And a wide again. And a wide again. That was a good shot by Idris Bhai. After 7 overs, the score is 83. You need 82 runs in 18 balls. Will they be able to achieve it? Oh, and that was a close call, but the batsman was in. And one run. "77 runs in 55 balls. It's a tough target for CSK now to beat. And a good stomping, but the batsman was in. And here's a talk between the batsmen. Converting the strikes. And with the singles in an over. After 8 overs, the score is 90. And the ball. That was a good ball by the bowler, making the bills fly up. And here's
Hi, I'm Carrier. I carry the cool. So what's new in 2022? I got the smart energy display for, match day.
and ball. बैट्समैन आ रहा है और जा रहा है. One batsman to another batsman. तू जा मैं आता हूँ. And here's a new batsman, Yusuf Koilan. "75 runs needed in 10 balls. That was a critical running between the wickets. Both the batsmen were confused for a run. "74 and 9. Ooh, that was a close call for the run out. Bas bhai, number 1 wala is with me. What would you comment for this game?
Right now, I don't know. I'm blank right now.
SCW got a start of 80 runs in the 2 overs, and CSK Chargers got 40 runs. Did this made the change, and was this tough for the CSK to come back for the game?
Yes, obviously, power play is a major factor over here. If you score more than 70-80 runs in the power play, it's easy to score around 130 to 140 in 10 overs, which automatically creates pressure on the oppositions. So power play is the key factor here. The more you score in power play, the more the chances are to winning the games here.
"70 runs needed in 4 balls. Now just they have to rotate the strikes. This were the shots needed in the beginning, and it was by hitting it in the last. Oh. Again a 6. "57 in 1 ball. And the match is over. SCW Strikers won the match by 56 runs, and the man of the match is Martin. Thank you, and signing off from the second match. We'll meet back in the third match. Thank you.